so terrible. Wait, let me look good first. Hello, for y'all that is missing me, I'll let you know what happened to me for this few weeks. I decided not to buy a lot of BTS goodies or even like anything from BTS. It's not that I'm broke, but like my mom complained about it. Like, okay, so you went to work just for buy BTS? Actually, that's the reason why I work part-time right now. But yes, guys, I did pre-order my BTS summer package, so she's here finally. Oh, okay, so I've been watching a lot of like unboxing from another channel out there. They look cool, like the picture looks good, so why not just jump right into it and like start. So as you guys probably know, I'm at my workplace right now, and I used to ship all my BTS stuff to my mom's workplace, which where I live, like where I work right now. Yeah, so we work together. That's why whenever she saw this type of box that come to her workplace, it's either from the store delivery or my delivery. And for now, it's my delivery. Oh my god. Woo! Oh. Okay, so you guys, this is huge already. I did not finish this. Okay, so the box is empty. I thought I'm gonna get like any pre-order type of special, but anyways, I don't get it. And yeah. Ooh, they were protected, which is great. Look at her, she's so cute. And I don't know what to open this with. Just gonna open it. You guys know how clumsy I am if you're really my subscriber below, right? And if you're new to my channel, it's okay. You'll find out how clumsy I am opening this. Not only clumsy, to be honest, it's like more to like I don't know what to do. I don't know what to begin with. But yeah, this is cool. As I told you guys, I saw a lot of like unboxing already before I got mine, because literally from Korea to America, far, and the one from Korea already did their unboxing. And I'm just like, okay, so am I showing you guys unboxing or am I just like review? Because literally, they've done it already, and what's the point of it? Okay, so yes, you guys, can the camera focus? That's why I don't like to like record. Okay. I try hard to like be careful, but like then, oh okay, so I damaged it. This is the main course? Okay, so, okay. Yeah, I lied about watching unboxing. Literally, I only watched like a couple seconds before it ends. I only watched the last one, like the last. I didn't watch the whole unboxing, like seriously guys, just the fact that I just want to know like what's inside. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Are you kidding me? This is so pretty. I'm not, oh my god, I'm kind of mad at myself. If I open this, it's gonna ruin. Okay, let me just open it before like, I don't want to open with the plastic. Okay, so I can open it even if like I didn't open the plastic. This is cool. Oh my god, the packaging, my man. Oof. Oh. I can see my face there, and I don't like it. Oh my god, that's a lot inside. A lot. I don't want to damage this because I saw like some of like the unboxing thing. They damaged this, so I don't want to damage it. I'm just gonna open it. better than mine. What's wrong with mine? Is it because I ordered this from Big Hit Big Hit shop? That's why they didn't give me like the thing. Wait, no. Actually, my mistake. See, I didn't even know. Ah, this is the one. Oh my god, this just reminds me of Season Greetings 2018, I think, where they have like a lot of pencil, and I thought this is pencil. Wow, I watched the unboxing. I told you guys already. Why am I doing this? Okay, so this is like the band, and this is like a BTS thing. I don't know. You guys probably already know from some other people, but yeah, this is so cute. Huh. I try hard to be like not myself right now. I mean, I'm always not comfortable in the front of my camera, but yeah, she is comfortable. So this is the DVD. Shout out for Joanna, my sis. So literally, she bought me my DVD player, and that way I can watch this. Yes, thanks to her. Who do I got? Because I'm mad if I have someone else. RM. And okay, just like TMI, my adopted sister also got RM. Which is so funny. This is so cute actually. Let me open. Wait, how do you open it? Oh, like this? Ah, this. Okay, so my 7-man, and they're drawing. And I honestly, because this is like, it takes too long to come here, that's why I was like, I watched already the video from the DVD. They spilling a lot of teas about like this is their last summer package. So next year we'll have winter package, which is so cute. I'm excited for y'all because they don't get the chance to literally explore during winter, right? It's like always summer, baby is hot. Baby is already hot, so why are we like making them even harder? This is our little poster, and I don't wanna know this poster. Oof. 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 Ah. See? Oof. Ah. And Jungkook, oh my god. Jungkook looked like a little baby, and I would love to adopt him. And my diary, you probably know what is inside the diary. I'm not gonna go over it. And this one too, probably you guys already know. I'm gonna be opening this at home. Alright then, thank you guys so much. Yes, I'll see you guys again. And alright, have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you.